In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Box to Basecamp for file storage. By the end, you'll have an automated connection that takes new files in Box and creates something useful in Basecamp, like a to-do or a message with the file link, so your team stays organized without manual copy-pasting. First, head to Zapier and create an account. There's a free tier that's perfect for trying this out. Once you're in, click Create Zap. A zap is simply an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that follows. For the trigger, choose Box as the app. When you're prompted for the event, select something like New File in Folder. This means whenever a new file appears in a specific Box folder, it will kick off the automation. You'll be asked to connect your Box account and authenticate it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in securely. If your Box workspace has strict permissions, make sure you have access to the folder you plan to monitor. After connecting, pick the exact folder you want Zapier to watch. It's a good idea to create or select a folder dedicated to this workflow so you don't trigger on the wrong files. Next, set Basecamp as the action app. Choose what you want Zapier to do when a new file appears. Two common choices are: create a to-do with file link or post a message with Box link. If you want tasks assigned and trackable, go with the to-do. If you want team visibility without assignments, posting a message works well. Now connect your Basecamp account and authorize Zapier. If you have multiple Basecamp accounts or organizations, select the right one so the action lands in the correct place. Then configure the details. Choose the project that should receive the update, and if you selected a to-do, pick the list it belongs to. Use the fields from the Box trigger to map the file name and the direct link into the to-do title or message body. Adding brief context, like "new file added to Box," helps teammates understand what they're seeing at a glance. It's time to test. Zapier can pull a recent sample from Box and send it to Basecamp based on your setup. Check Basecamp to confirm the to-do or message looks right and the link opens the file. If anything seems off, adjust your field mapping or project selection and test again. When you're happy, turn on the Zap. Consider giving it a clear name so you can find it later and keep your automations tidy. That's it. Your Box to Basecamp connection is live and saving you time.